mates, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to unbox my baby's diaper bag. So this is not a diaper bag, this is a backpack which I am going to use as a diaper bag. But before I show you this bag, I want to let you know few things. Number one, this bag is expensive, so if you don't like to splurge into expensive item, this video is not for you. You can go and watch my other pregnancy related videos. Second thing is, I have chosen this bag because I can use this bag as a diaper bag, and after few years I can use it as a regular backpack. So that's why I have spent that much money in this bag. And now, without wasting any time, let's open this and then I'll talk more about this bag. Okay, it is fully packed. So this is the bag. Let me put this. Yes. Oh my god, it is beautiful. So this is the Michael Kors backpack. To be exact, I'll tell you the exact name. So this is Raven Medium Logo Jacquard and Leather backpack in color light cream, and I think this comes in one size only. So let me quickly remove all these things. So yeah, this is the backpack which I am going to use as a diaper bag. So it has the opening over here. So when you open this, you will going to see the 3 compartment. It has 3 compartments. That's why I thought it's good for the diaper bag, because then you will be more organized. So in the front, let me remove this. Alright, so in the front you have some space, so where you can put your like baby's bottle and whatever you want to put, the diaper and everything. So it has compartment over here. Sorry, I cannot show you properly, but yeah. And then it has this zip section where, oh, it has good space where you can put like whatever you want to put in the diaper bag. Also at the back you get the zip compartment. It also has this dust bag which is actually very good, very soft, silky and white in color. Yeah, it's not too small, it's not too big, it's like, for me it's the best size. So yeah, I like this bag. It has Michael Kors written all over the place. So in the zip, also here, and like everywhere you will going to see Michael Kors. And also it has the embossment at the what you will say, the canvas or something. Yeah, so they have the MK print all over the bag. So I like this light color. I wanted it in a light color. I have one Michael Kors bag, that the sling bag, which I have already unboxed in my channel, and that is in the light brown color. So I wanted it something in this color as well, so I can use this in winters also, during summers also. So that's why I have chosen this bag. So please let me know what you think about this bag, whether you liked it or not. So yeah, I just want to unbox this bag in front of you. Soon you will going to see what's in the diaper bag. Also, I am planning to film what's in my hospital bag, so I'll show you my hospital bag as well in that video. So yeah, that's it for the video. I just wanna unbox this. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. Sorry for my pregnancy burps. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Also, if you have any pregnancy related video if you wanna watch, please let me know. If you have hair related videos, if you have any requests, please let me know in our comment section below. So yeah, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It is absolutely free and it motivates me a lot to work more and work harder. And if you like this video, please hit a like button. So yeah, that's it for the video. Now I'm going to see you on my next video. Till then, bye and have a nice day.
My head is heavy, let me lay it down. Into your lap I would love to drown. I need that story I used to hear, to run on into